setup for the bench press starts with the feet being placed flat to the floor when in a lying position. If the bench is too high, then you may need to use a block, step or weight in order to create a stable base for the feet. With the back in a neutral position and the head in line, the shoulders will be slightly retracted and the eyes directly below the bar itself. The grip width that you will need to adopt whilst performing the assessment will be that of 1.5 times biacromial width. This is 1.5 times the distance between the bony protrusions on top of the shoulders. In order to know if your grip width is correct, if you lower the bar to the lower sternum and rest the bar in this position, you should have created a 45-degree angle between the humerus and the torso. You will also need to have a vertical forearm when viewed from both the front and the side. You'll be required to adopt a fully enclosed grip with the fingers and thumb on opposite sides of the bar. From the setup position, with the bar fully extended above the chest, the first movement will be a slow, controlled descent down to the lower sternum level. Here, the bar must come to a definitive pause. When reaching this point, if a 45-degree angle is present, as well as a vertical forearm, then you can enter into the next phase of the lift. This will be to return the bar to a position above the chest with the elbows fully extended. The lifting phase must be done in one smooth motion, with continual movement applied to the bar in a vertical direction.